All right, here's my 5 favorite things from my custom upfits van we just did for the MX factory here. First things first is the TV and the toolbox flip out. Obviously, this one's magnetic. The other one has a pull cord. I'll just flip it out. You got all your tools there ready to go. And your TV flips out that we'll use for camps to make sure that all the riders are informed correctly. All the storage is really great, but I would say the second thing that's really cool is going to be the subwoofer with the laser engraved plastic piece on a little protection on it. That's really cool. The sound system back here is insane. The third thing is going to be how big these awnings are, and I'm going to meet you guys on the other side, but these awnings are great. The back awning's super cool, and they're really high-end awnings that aren't going to just flip up and break right away. I'll meet you guys inside. All right, inside obviously is really sweet. What I do love here, though, is that we have this bed, and then we have this bunk bed that flips out, and I'll show you guys a clip at the end, and hangs in, so you've got some really comfortable sleeping space. And then something really cool custom they just did for this one is this flips around, this pulls out. Okay, how sweet is this? I gotta show you guys this. And then we've got a bed pad that folds across the top like this. And then you've got a bed on your galley, which there's a sink here, there's a fridge underneath, and then boom, you can sleep a little human up here. This flips over and fills up the gap, so if the little human falls off, they at least land on you or something soft. So it just maximizes space, and I think that's what custom upfits is really good at, maximizing space and doing things that other people aren't doing.